On this video today, I'm going to show you a website that will pay you $500 to write essays. This website is available worldwide, and the best part is that you can use it to make money even if you're a complete beginner. So make sure you keep on watching till the end, because I'm going to show you how you can use AI to write the content without being detected. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to come on this website, longreads.com. So just search for longreads.com. Once you're on the website, you're going to see a page like this. This website is a platform where you can get a lot of different essays to read. They have a lot of different essays that you can read. You can see this is an essay that you can read. You can see another one, you can see others. There are a lot of different essays that you can read on this platform. As I scroll, you can see these are a lot of different essays that you can read. So if you want, you can become a member. Once you become a member, you can get access to a lot of different essays that you can read. Apart from reading essays on this website, they accept articles from writers. So if you're a writer, you can write essays and then submit it onto this website so that you can get paid. To submit an essay, what you have to do is that you have to scroll down to the button. You can see submissions. Click on it so that you can read about the guidelines before you begin to write your article. Do not write the article before you look at the guidelines. Read the guidelines before you write your article. So once you click on submission, you can see Longreads is dedicated to publishing and sharing the best long-form non-fiction storytelling on the web. Thank you for your interest in our publication. Read on for guidelines on pitching and submitting to us. So they are going to show you step by step on how to pitch and submit an article onto the website. Once you scroll down, you can see if you want to nominate a story as editor's pick, you can do that. You can see they have a Twitter page that you can follow and then nominate a story as editor's pick. If any of the stories that you read on this website is good, you can nominate it as editor's pick. But that is not what we are interested in. What we want to do is that we want to submit an article onto the website so that we can get paid. As you can see right here, they have a warning here that they have a small team, so most of the articles, it might take time before they accept them. So if you submit an article, you have to be patient and wait for them so that they can accept it later and then publish it onto the platform. The best part is that you can submit as many articles that you want. So when you scroll down, they do not accept generative content. If you are using ChatGPT, they will not allow you to submit an article. But later in this video, I'll show you how to bypass this one. So just keep on watching. Once you scroll down, you can see their guidelines. They accept essays and columns that are between 2,000 to 6,000 words. So your essay must be 2,000 to 600 words. You must write an essay that has words between these figures so that your essay can be accepted. You can see right here they pay $500 per essay that you write. So any essay that you submit on the platform, once they publish it, you are going to be paid $500. You can see it right here. Once you scroll down, you can see these are examples of essays that you can read and then see the kind of essays that they accept. So once you read these essays, you get to know the kind of essays that they accept so that you can write a similar essay and then submit it onto the website. You can see right here, we accept pitches for research and reported essays, critical essays and columns. So these are the kind of essays that they accept, and you can see the rate start at $500, meaning you can get paid more than $500. This is the starting rate. So if your essay is good, you can be paid more than this amount. So you have to take the time and then write a very useful essay so that they can pay you higher than $500. When you scroll down, you can see these are reported essays. You can read about them so that you get to know the kind of essays that they want. Apart from writing essays, you can also write a reading list. You can write reading list of books. You can see it right here. Essay style introduction, followed by a collection of links to long-form stories, sometimes books and other resources. You can write a reading list of books. Once you write it, you are going to submit it onto the platform and they are going to pay you. You can see this is their email address. So once you write, you have to submit it through this email address so that they can accept your article and then pay you. For reading list, they are going to pay you $350 per every reading list that you submit. You can see it right here. Pay $350 per reading list. So that is the amount that you're going to earn if you write a reading list. When you scroll down, you can see these are examples of reading lists that you can read, so that you can also write a very nice reading list and then submit it onto your platform. So what you have to do is that you have to take the time, read about the kind of things that they accept before you generate your content. You have to take the time and then read it. Once you have done reading about their guidelines, the next step is that you have to write your essay or your reading list. In this case, we are going to be using AI, but we can bypass their warning. If you don't want to use AI, you can write it yourself and then submit it onto the website, but we are going to be using AI in this video, and I will show you how to bypass AI detection. Once you get to know the website, the next step is that you have to begin to write your content. In this case, we are using ChatGPT to write the content for us. So what you have to do is that you have to give a prompt so that ChatGPT can write some essay topics for you. You can write a prompt like this: write 4 interesting and unique essay titles. Just write a prompt like this. Once that is done, click on send so that it will write the titles for you. You can see these are titles that ChatGPT has generated for us. So we can now write our essays using any of these titles. To write the essay, you can type a prompt like this: write a complete essay with 2,500 words for this essay title. You have to paste your title here, so you can now select any of these titles that you want. In this case, I'm going to select the second one, so just highlight and copy it. Once you copy it, you're going to paste it right here. Paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once you paste it, you can see write a complete essay with 2,500 words for this essay title. Then your title. Once that is done, you can see use simple and understandable language. Make it interesting and compelling for readers to read the whole essay. So just type a prompt like this. Once that is done, click on send so that it will generate the essay for you. You can see it is generating the essay. As you can see, it is generating the essay. As you can see, it has generated the essay. Now what you have to do is that you have to copy this essay and then edit it. ChatGPT is not human, it is an AI. So what you have to do is that you have to edit it so that it can look nice. As you can see, we have generated the article. The next step is that you have to highlight the whole article and then copy it. Once you copy your essay, the next step is that you are going to come on this website quillbot.com/AI content detector. So just search for it, Quillbot AI detector. Once you search for it and then click on their website, you're going to see a page like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to paste your essay here so that you can be able to detect whether the content is written by human or AI. So paste it right here. Once you paste your essay, the next step is that you are going to click on analyze. Once you click on it, it is going to analyze it for you. You can see 100% AI content detected, meaning the content is written by AI. So now what you have to do is that you have to rewrite the content so that it will not be detected. For now, it is written 100% by AI, so you have to rewrite your essay. You can rewrite it yourself. You can rewrite it using AI. In this case, we are going to be using AI. If you want to use AI to paraphrase your essay, what you have to do is that you have to search for paraphrasing tool. Once you search for it, you can see paraphrasing.io. Click on it so that you can use it to paraphrase your content. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to paste your essay here, so paste it. Once you paste your content, you're going to scroll down and then click here, I'm not a robot. Once that is done, click on paraphrase so that it will paraphrase the content for you. So it will paraphrase it for you. Just wait for some time. You can see it is paraphrasing. Your content has been paraphrased. You can see it has been paraphrased. So you can copy the paraphrase content. Once it has been paraphrased, you can click right here, copy, so that you can copy the content. Once you copy your paraphrase content, you're going to come back on quillbot.com/AI content detector. Once you're on the website, paste your content here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, click on analyze text. Once you analyze it, you can see 70% AI content detected. So you have to paraphrase it again. Keep on paraphrasing the content so that you can get 0. So for example, we can highlight it. Once we highlight it, you can cut the content. Once you cut it, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. Once you paste it, you can select standard or fluency. Any of them that you want, you can select it. Once you paste your content, you are going to paraphrase it again. So scroll down to the bottom, click on I'm not a robot. Once that is done, click on paraphrase so that you can paraphrase the content. As you can see, it is paraphrasing. Just wait for it to paraphrase. As you can see, it has been able to paraphrase the content. Now what you have to do is that you have to scroll down again, click on copy. Once you copy the content, you are going to come back on pillbot.com/AI content detector. Once that is done, you are going to paste it. Once you paste your content, click on analyze text. As you can see, I have paraphrased the content and it's now 26% AI content detected. So you have to keep on paraphrasing the content so that you can get a low percentage of AI content detection. Once you get a low percentage, you can now go back on longreach.com. Once you come back, you have to submit your article so that you can get paid. If you want to get their attention very fast, what you have to do is that you have to share the story on their Twitter page so that you can get their attention very fast. Once you share it on their Twitter page, they are going to attend to you and then accept your article. Once they accept it, they are going to pay you $500 or more. So make sure you go and take action so that you can be making money with this method. If you don't want to use AI to generate any of the content, you can write it yourself and then submit it onto the website. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.